Hello, welcome to my channel Samyukta Vinod. I'm a new YouTuber who's very fond of makeup, and I've started this channel. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment the videos. And please do not ever forget to click the subscribe button and the little bell icon which is next to it, so that you will not miss any of my videos which I have uploaded. And let's start to the video. So today's video is all about it's my Nykaa haul. Recently I purchased few products from Nykaa, and I wanted to clearly mention it as this is not a sponsored video. Like everything, every product which I bought is from my own money, and it is not at all sponsored by any brands or any companies. And let's start the video. So the first product which I'm going to show you, the first thing is that the foundation from Blue Heaven, which is very affordable, and the price of the product is 175 Indian rupees for 30 ml of product. And the shade which I've purchased is Saffron Glow, and there are many climes, like it acts as a primer, concealer, sunscreen and foundation all in one. So I haven't used this foundation, like I'm going to use it afresh, so I'm not sure how it's going to work. Maybe in future videos, like I can give you a review on it, maybe, probably. So this is the first product which I have brought. This is the makeup stick, UHD, that is ultra high definition smooth covering concealer stick from Blue Heaven. And the shade which I purchased, like this retails for rupees 125, and the shade which I brought is 03 natural. You can see it's quite light, so I bought this for under eye, like highlighting purpose. The Blue Heaven Aristo Face Stylist Compact Powder. It's a compressed powder which retails for 105 rupees for 12 grams of product, and it is best before 3 years from the date of manufacturing. So like the shade which I brought is I'm not sure, like where is the shade? I'm not sure of the shade. Yeah, it's cream beige. You can see it is like quite yellow in color, like which suits most of the Indian skin tone. Like you can use it to set the concealer in place in the under eye area, and you can also use it to set the foundation. It's again from Blue Heaven. It is Expression Pancake, and I brought this basically like mostly the products from Blue Heaven, and I thought I can do a video on like it's a single brand, like one brand tutorial. So I thought I can get all the products from Blue Heaven so that I can make, like, it's a quite affordable brand, and it's an Indian brand, so it's quite affordable. Like I brought this pancake for contouring. I hope it should work. My second like I have a second refill. Like I use this daily for my like for day-to-day use. Like it's non-sticky for sun protection, so it gives a non-sticky sun protection, and it is very easy to use. So I use this like for a day-to-day use, and it retails for 210 Indian rupees. So the net weight is 7 grams of product. So it is very good, but it leaves a white cast on your skin. So basically all the sunscreen does. So only that is the only downside. But apart from that, this is a very good sun protection product. So you can use it for day-to-day purpose. Next product is primer, which is from Blue Heaven again. It is perfect makeup base, and it is a Studio of Perfection primer. It claims as like oil free, non-greasy formula. I hope it does the job. Like it is a silicone based primer, so that it like you can hide the pores in your face like to minimum extent. The Blue Heaven eyeshadow, like blush on glitters, eye glitters, 12 in 1. So it comes from this in this packaging, and so this is the product. You have all the colors, say like pinks, violets, and maroon, white. Like I think you can create like many looks with this product. I hope it will work better. So let me make a separate video with this, so that I can give you my thoughts on this. This retails for 120 Indian rupees, and for the amount of product is 10 grams, and the expiry date is like 5/2021. This mascara, like there are many mascaras, like I could see many like yellow color, green color, and I don't know like how far it does. And this is walk free, waterproof, long lash mascara, and what it claims is it's a smudge proof, long wearing, results like visible lift, base to tip curl, length and volume. And so this is what it claims. So, and this retails for rupees 125 for 12 ml of product. This is the new launch. It is lasting drama eyeliner, like kajal. It's like kajal, and the shade is moonlight purple. Let me show how it works. And this retails for 325 Indian rupees, and many of these products are on sale. Like often, like Nykaa is like giving a sale, like organizing a sales, so wherein you'll be getting like 30%, 40% off on products, and you can utilize that sales to save some money. Like it is diamond blush on from Blue Heaven. Particularly I've picked this shade like for highlighting purpose, because it's a kind of goldeny sort of color. So I'll show you. See, it's a goldeny kind of shade, so that you can use it for you can use it as a highlighter. So let me swatch it. So you can see, I hope the camera is picking. So you can see the reflection. So you can use this as it's basically a blusher, what they says, but you can use it as a highlighter. So for highlighting purpose, I bought this product. Next is for the lips. So like this is Blue Heaven lip balm, so in the flavor strawberry. Like it says, it's with shea butter, almond oil, vitamin E for wet, moist, super smooth lips. And I've used this, like I've used this product, and it is quite like, as it claims, like it has got like it gives a wet, moist, super smooth lips. So what it claims is right, but it doesn't have any tint on it. So it is a plain lip balm, and a colorless lip balm, but like you can feel the strawberry fragments or flavor in this. So it's basically a transparent lip balm. Like the next product is lip color. It's a Blue Heaven non-transfer it's non-transfer lip color. It is like, it claims that it is 8 hours wear, non-transferable lip color. I have other shade, I think it's a nude shade, but as far as I went through, like, it is quite drying, so you need to really prep your lips before going with this. You should really apply a good coat of lip balm so that it doesn't dry your lips down. So apart from that, it is quite long lasting, and it is a non-transferable too. So like in the video I'll show you how it's going to be in the next video, coming videos. I'll do that. So it retails for 205 Indian rupees. The amount of product is 2.8 ml. The last product here is Blue Heaven Artisto Kajal, and the package reminds me of the Benefits brow product. Like I'm not sure of the name. So it is like this, wherein you'll have the applicator. You need to open, and this is the product. So this is the product. So I think, let me swatch. Yeah, it's good. So you can see it's not that jet black, but still it is a good kajal. See, I think, hope the camera catches it. Yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and I'll try to link all the products down below in the description box. Please check that out. And that's it, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. So there are more videos coming up next. So I'm planning to do many videos, and do not forget to hit the bell button so that you'll not miss any of my videos. Please share my video, like if you like it,